Fried tofu with chili oil and black bean sauce. The taste works. This dish is a simple but delicious appetizer with soft textures and bold layered flavors. It will delight you. Full recipe is on our blog. Heat up about half an inch of oil in a pan to 375 degrees. Cast iron works best. You can check the oil by dipping one piece of tofu in and checking for aggressive bubbles. Deep fry the tofu until it turns brown. It only takes about 30 seconds. Plate the tofu into a pyramid. Top with a sauce mixture of equal parts chili oil, black bean sauce, red vinegar, and light soy sauce. Finish it with sliced Korean long finger peppers, scallions, fried shallots, and alfalfa sprouts. Spoon in the remaining sauce and enjoy. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked it, please subscribe and follow us on Instagram. COVID-19 shut down our restaurant, so now we're food blogging. Stay tuned for more.